So here's Tenten app, close friends only. This is one of the top walkie-talkie apps, and it's growing really fast in the social networking category. So here you have that. Yep, it's all about friendships, real ones. Friends are the family we choose. We share secrets, moments, tears, laughter. They're the only people we can truly be authentic with. Tenten turns your phone into a live walkie-talkie with your best friends anywhere, anytime. Sing it, shout it, whisper it. Your friends will hear you live on their phone, even when their screen is locked. So yep, that's like the app. If you like to to use your phone on a speaker or using headphones, doesn't matter. But yeah, it kind of resembles the old walkie-talkie system. So yeah, here you just have that, and you just create your account. You need then to add friends. You need at least one friend to accept your invite to start using the app. So just here you can add your friends, and then ask your friends for their pin. So here is your pin. You can just use that. And then basically you just have your friends, and then you just hold to talk. So as an example, just already reflects in my speaker. It's just like a test account. I'm just calling myself basically. But yeah, like you can just talk on speaker mode, and then even when your phone is locked with a locked screen, you still will receive notifications, and you still are able to talk with each other that way. And then you can see that you need to update the Tenten app to the latest version, because they did some major redesign for the last few months, and you need to have at least iOS 16, I guess, to be able to use Tenten app. So on the old version, it's just not gonna work, unfortunately. And then yeah, you can just communicate like on the speaker with your friends. I personally like doing phone calls on the speaker. I never use my phone to put it to the ear, or I'm just using with AirPods. So this is that kind of app where you just talk with your friends on the speaker mode, and then you can just talk with your friends continuously, even when the screen is locked. And it's very kind of nice design it's kind of low touch design, where you don't need to do a lot of things, and then you just talk with your friends and relatives. So yep, and then you can just go delete friends. You can go, and there are some bunch of settings. You can, if you don't like, delete your account. You can edit your image, you change your phone number. So yep, there you have it.